everyone, and welcome to Poppy DIY Crafts. Today we're going to be making a Pokemon project. We're going to make this really cute 3D Pikachu. So let's go ahead and go over to Creatorally. And then we're going to search for Pokemon. And we're going to go down to this file, the Pokemon Multilayer Decor. Bring Pikachu and friends to life. So with this file, you can actually make Pikachu, Charmander, Bulbasaur, and Gengar. In addition, we're going to use the multicolored plywood sheets. This set comes with 8 pieces of various colors. These plywood sheets are pre-colored, kid-friendly, and non-toxic. Once we have the file, let's go ahead and go to XTool Studio. I'm using XTool Studio because I have a M1 Ultra from XTools. Here's a file. We're going to go ahead and grab the DXF file and drag it over. Here we're going to keep the original size. And zooming out, you can see here the files. We're only going to be making Pikachu today, so we're going to delete the other ones. Let's go ahead and ungroup it. Then delete the pieces we don't need. Okay, so here are the pieces for Pikachu. We have the backboard that needs to be blue. Here's the first layer, which is going to be yellow. We have another layer in black. And here are the pieces for the last layer. We're going to need yellow, red, and white. So now we're going to separate out into their own colored layers. So here you can see the various layers that we have. Our first layer is the blue layer. This next layer is the yellow layer. There's going to be 2 pieces. Here's the third layer in black. And what I've done is on the inside lines in blue, this is going to be scored and not cut. We also have a layer of red for the cheeks. Since this is a new material that I'm using, on this layer I also added a test array for cutting. This will give me the optimal speed and power to use. And finally, in white, we have these 2 dots for the eyes. Alright, so let's go ahead and cut. Before we start engraving, let's take a look at the wood. So this is the pre-colored wood. And just take a look at this. This is so nice. The color is really smooth and it's double-sided. So we get 8 colors. There's green, here's gold, here's black, very glossy. We also have red, white, yellow, kind of a sky blue, and a pink. So for our project, we're going to need the blue one, the yellow one, the white one, the red one, and the black one. Let's start with the red piece because I want to see the result of the test array. Here's my M1 Ultra. Let's go ahead and load in the piece of wood. And this is going to take about 2 minutes to complete. So here's the result. We got our 2 red pieces. And here is our test array. As you can see, these burns are actually very clean. So there's not a lot of soot, which is really good. And here are all the different settings that we can use to cut for the rest of the pieces. Now let's go ahead and cut the other pieces. Next, we're going to do the yellow piece. Before we cut it, I'm actually going to add a layer of double-sided adhesive to it. This will make it much easier to layer the pieces. This yellow piece is going to take about 5 minutes to complete. So here are the pieces for the yellow. This looks so cool. Oh, look at this. And if you see any soot or burn marks, we can just kind of clean it up with a little bit of alcohol. So it's super clean again. Next, we're going to do the black piece. We're also going to add a layer of adhesive paper to it. Alright everyone, so here are all the pieces that we cut out today. We are now ready to assemble. This yellow piece goes on top of the blue. Let's go ahead and peel off the backing. Align it with the blue. Just like that. Here's the first piece. Now for the black border on top of the yellow. Adding the sticky paper makes it super easy. Next, we're going to add the black piece. And this goes right on top like this. Just like that. Now for the yellow piece. And this we'll put right over the etching. For the cheeks, we're going to stick it on with glue. And finally, the two eyes. And just like that, our Pikachu is done. Just take a look at this. Doesn't this look amazing? I really love this pre-painted wood. It is super smooth and the projects look really professional after you're done. Alright everyone, I had a lot of fun making this project. I hope you enjoyed it too. So if you want to make the same project I just did, check out the links down below. And I'll see you next time. Bye!